Hi everyone. So in this video, I just explaining what are the strategies we can use in Forex. Okay, as at a beginner level and the advanced level. So what will comes on the beginner level and what will be the advanced level? Let me show you in terms of a topic and the picturized one for a beginner level. For the advanced level, I will show you only the topics. Okay, so from this you can know what are the strategy you can use as a beginner. Okay, so like here I am not explaining the fully, I just telling you these are the things is there, but how comes we have to use it as a technique. Okay, like as a strategy, how come we can use it. So first the thing, what are the beginner level. See, in this beginner level we have these many topics like breaker block, mitigation block, fair value, order block, liquidity, then consolidation, breakout and retest, then premium and discount, vacuum block. These are the topics we have. But in this, few are the confirmation. Only the confirmation, not a strategy we will use. Okay, only the confirmation. Look, see, normally when you want to make more profit, you will go for a higher time frame. Okay, and you will see these things, the strategy which is there, and we will come to the higher lower time frame, and we will see whether this confirmation is fit into that. But there is a point, no trader will explain you which confirmation you have to take for which strategy, right? So that, and the point is there that everything I'm covering in my course, you just see a look what is a strategy and what is a confirmation. I just giving you a pure about this forex beginner level. Okay, and if you want to become an advanced level, then you can go for these kind of strategies. So this, in this also list of topic, the few are confirmation and few are strategies. Okay, so institutional order flow, then flip support and resistance, then liquidity pool, that we have two types, internal and external liquidity. Then imbalance fair value gap. Okay, internal fair value gap, there also we have two. One is a buy side imbalance and sell side imbalance is there. Then uh, that is a market structure is there. Okay, B/B breakout and fractal model, then rejection block, then we have higher time frame POI and order block. It is optimal trade entry and shift in market structure. We have pullback. Okay, so those things. Let us see about what is the beginner concept it is. Okay, so here you can see the few of the beginner level. We'll go one by one what it is here. So first concept, as I said, which is a breaker block. Okay, so in breaker block, when we have a lower low, okay, then we will see whether the new lower low, and we have got that this lower low is having a breakup structure, and the before one is we will call as lower high, that makes a CHS, and this area we will call as an our breakup block area. Okay, so when this comes, it will works. Okay, this is about the breakup block. And the mitigation we know that failure swing concepts. Okay, we have a higher high and we have a higher low, and we have a lower high now, and here comes we have a breakup structure. So this breakup structure, again we will see where is our lower low, the new lower low of this is confirming the trend. Then here is our mitigation block. This mitigation block, we will find there is an order block candle, and then we will enter in this trade. Okay, so next comes fair value gap. So this fair value gap, we already know everyone. We have a higher high, and the last recently higher low is breakout. That is nothing but CHS has happened. Then we get a lower, okay, higher low. If that higher low will touches this particular imbalance area, that is nothing but inefficiency in the candle. Okay, inefficiency in the candle. This level we can call our fair value gap entry level. Okay, and the next comes an order block. So order block, particularly we will call, there are three different types of order block. Here I have mentioned main order block concepts. So CHO happen, that is higher low is there, and the last candle, which is an order block level. Again, it comes, it will fit, and it will make you to the downtrend. So this one is an order block one. And then we have another strategy called liquidity. We have in advanced and also the beginner level, we have liquidity. In this, it is liquidity, and there it is liquidity pool. Both are different, little difference we have. And here also in this liquidity, we have higher high, then higher low, then again lower high, the market forms a lower low. And this we will use, this grabs the liquidity and goes into the buy sell side entry and make a market to more up. Okay. And the next strategy, which is called premium and discount. And this premium and discount, first of all, we must know where is the breakup structure happen. Okay. So that is a lower low breakup structure must be there, and the before point lower high. And we must want to check whether there is new lower low has been created. Then we will enter in the premium level for and make an entry. So this are the things we have in this like in this beginner level course. Okay. Now the remaining thing also there. We'll go one by one. So the seventh strategy we will call as consolidation. So most of the beginner or an advanced level of traders, that is pro level of traders, they will not enter in consolidation because they will not know the tricks of the consolidation. So if you want more the pure thing, consolidation technique, few I have explained in my Instagram page. You can go and check it. So as you know, there are multiple touch or multiple loop of the candle, which is going in terms of the particular range, highs and lows. The same where the market is loop, that we will call as consolidation, right? This entire thing, consolidation, before the taking the trade, you must see where is a CHO happen and breakup structure, and there might be an order block and the mitigate imbalance might be there. Then only we can enter in this breakout structure, or else this is not a true breakup structure. Everything is there already. You check it, and that's it about the consolidation. And this is the most important pattern all have using, and few will make a mistake. This is what about the gap. Whenever you will see these kind of candles in the market, when the market have a opening and closing like this difference, it have, the market will have that this difference of opening gap. Okay, this entire thing is called as gap. This entire price is called as gap. So what is this gap is? Like there is no, there is an absence of volume. Okay. No opening, that the entire thing is different. Okay. Like a gap is different. So that is the n number of buyers and sellers, they left their orders over here. So what market will do? Again, it will come back, collect the order, and it will go back to the, again to the same. Okay. So that we have few techniques to be used here. Just like as it is, we can't use. You have to see the trend. You have to see how the gap is and how the respecting, and you have to switch over from higher time frame to lower time frame to confirming this trade. So this, if you enter or this one, you must see only with the confirmation, or else we will not enter. So you just check where the higher high, where the low is. So, and whether there is a breakup structure, all those strategy we have to follow. If it is there only, we will work on this one. Okay, it is a very less kind of less, traders are using that strategies. And the next one is breakout and retest. This usually the normal person also use, but if you made the mistake, okay, there are two types of breakout and retest strategies there. When it comes to retrace and when it follow the trend, and when it comes to retrace and when it pull out the trend, that is there. Okay, that you have to check. So here the idea is, I have a higher low here, and this reason higher high is breakup structure is formed. So BS happen. Then I got a new higher high. This is a breakup structure I'm concentrating. I just find whether this level market is giving retrace. Once the retracement is there, we will check whether to go upwards or whether to go downwards. there is a thing we have to look. This also I explain in my Instagram page. You can check it. So when there is a pure breakout at this site, only we will go, or else we will never go to the towards the trend. We have to go for an opposite of the trend. So these are the few strategies at the beginner level of strategies I am following. I am taking this one. So each one I will make more confirmation with that. I will be taking more confirmation that to be there. Without confirmation, don't enter. That is what very required one. Okay, and the next one, now we will see what are the point we will take as a confirmation and what are the points we will take as a strategy. See here, once first I will talk about confirmation. So confirmation means these points are called as confirmation. Like what the before I explained, breaker block, premium and discount, mitigation, fair value, and liquidity. These and all have a confirmation candle. These and all not a strategy. If you are working in the strategy, still you will fail. Okay, you will get only less profit. But you must know which is strategy and which is confirmation. And here comes the strategy. So only the beginner level, we use these kind of strategies like order block, consolidation, vacuum block, and breakout and retest. So these are the strategies in level of beginner level. Okay, then what comes in the advanced level? That's what before I have shown. These are the points I have covering in the advanced level. So this is again a big one. We must see in the real time, then only we will analyze and we can understand, or else it is not that much efficient in trade. Okay, so hope it is useful. You just go and check it. All those strategies or the beginner level and advanced level, not much difference. Like beginner level, once you learn, you will get almost 80 to 85% profit. But once you learn the advanced level, you will get up to the 90 to 95. Nothing is 100%. You must keep it in mind. Nothing is 100%. Like you might maybe entering the mistake like entry level. You may made mistake, then it may a problem of losing the trade. Okay, and if you are not making any proper confirmation, then that is the point. Though, and few other things are there. So all those things which were there. So this is an entire strategy. Wherever you go, wherever you check in any channel, they are telling the same strategy like ICT and smart money concept, this, that, all those things are nothing but this only. But they are giving different name. That's it. There is name is different, but strategies and higher high, higher low is it's entirely same. None other than that. But you need to take, whenever you will trade, you must check what is a confirmation and where you have to enter and what kind of strategy we can use. All those things are very much required. Yes, hope this is useful. Just keep watching. Those who are new to this channel, kindly subscribe it. Yeah. If you want more content, you visit my Instagram page. Everything is available there. Which is I have made in a Tamil language. Those who are a Tamil person, you can see that. If you want more, you request in this, I will be giving you the better one. Yes. Thank you all.